Hi, in this tutorial today, we would like to see how to detect the RGB color using Raspberry Pi Pico and APDS9960. For this tutorial, you will need a Raspberry Pi Pico, APDS9960 sensor, and Sparkfun RGB LCD. The connection between the devices are as shown. Once the connection are done, we can now start to code. For the code, I am using the Arduino IDE. We need to include the library file for the APDS9960 sensor and Sparkfun RGB LCD. Next, we compile and upload the code to the Raspberry Pi Pico. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe. Till we meet in our next tutorial. Thank you and bye-bye.